Today, guys, we got a different, unusual video for you today. Unfortunately, my entire family, including my cameraman, is sick with the flu, so I can't give you a typical Wednesday build, a crazy build, or nothing like that. But I'm doing a little bit of work on the computer since I feel a little better, and I'm going through and getting all of the funniest moments that I can find, putting them together, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. Time. No, she said, dang, that's your alive, boys. She alive. Hold on. Hey, she sit though, bro. She sit though. Beat that out, hey. Man, give him the walk around, bro. I mean, I'm leaning back in this bad boy, bro. Yes, sir. Look, I'm leaning back. I'm wobbling this mug. She's sturdy. This is our nice Halloween build right here. Special edition for Halloween. Happy Halloween to everybody out there. I don't know if we're going to post this before Halloween because you know our day is Saturday morning, but if it's after Halloween, happy Halloween. I hope you had a great Halloween.
Yeah, that was sound definitely, but
Patrick Mahomes, fourth quarter. 20 yards left, winning touchdown. Let's see what we can do. I can tell you one thing, Stovepipe. She is sturdy. I'm telling you what. Let me just, y'all know the ultimate test here. Oh, I forgot that one was on wheels. There ain't a budge in this bad boy. Alright, guys. It's time to put the smorgasbord to work. It's time to eat. Hats off. All right, let's do it. Hardest thing to do is sand. Just gotta have patience, and if you got the right tools, sanding can even be easy. Unfortunately, I don't have the right tools. That's why I'm sweating and out of breath like a whale. Says it supports up to 600 pounds. There went my iPro. We're gonna test that out right now. Oh yeah. Listen, guys. Just imagine you out there. You sitting there with your boy, got a cold beverage, fishing pole. That mug's sturdy. She's sturdy. bell, and we're going to catch you in the next one. Peace. Why would anybody sit in these when you got something beautiful like this to sit in? Makes no sense. Oh, yeah. I mean, I just popped every bone in my back. Whew. Yeah. So, we're going to try out our serving tray. Last time, I ate something. I went crazy, so let's try this out. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I don't even know what the hell this is. Alright guys, I appreciate each and every one of you for sticking through and watching that entire video for me. I hope you guys really did enjoy it. Leave a comment below on what your favorite clip was. Also, if you're new here, smash that sub button. Like I said, this isn't my typical type of content, but you can go through and watch all of my old videos, and I'm pretty sure you'll love them. Appreciate everybody for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.